PhDizzle, and I'm your host, Alice Chang, and today we're interviewing Grace Chiou, who got her PhD in chemistry at UCLA and now works for a pharmaceutical company called Bristol Myers Squibb.
Hey guys!
So, Grace, what did you study in grad school?
In grad school, I studied organic chemistry. My thesis was basically about using organic chemistry to make molecules made in nature. Also, I studied how nature makes some of these molecules as well. That was pretty cool.
What kind of molecules does organic mean something that naturally occurs?
So organic means it's referring to making chemical bonds with like carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and basically the compounds that I were making were very complex molecules. So, you know, it was basically like a really complex puzzle piece using chemistry.
So now you work in pharmaceuticals. Did you do that while you were in grad school, or how did you make the transition?
Right, so a lot of what we did in my research was applying organic synthesis or organic chemistry to make pharmaceutical compounds already. So natural products or things found in nature that had pharmaceutical properties, like things that could help people or had certain health benefits. So that kind of helped me transition into the pharmaceutical industry. Yeah.
Wow, okay. And so now you're at BMS. And you've done a lot of different things besides just, synthesizing compounds, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so I have done like you said, I've done a few different things. So when I started, I was doing biocatalysis, so using enzymes to make chemical bonds so we can make drugs. And then I started working on antibody drug conjugates, so using antibodies, we tag potent drugs on them so we can actively target tumors or different cancers within the body. And I've also more recently started using automation, so using robots to do chemistry for you, which has been really fun.
Really?
Actually. Yeah.
So are you scared that a robot's going to take your job someday?
No, only because I've nicknamed one of the robots the drunk robot, because
The drunk
robot,
Okay.
because it is still pretty stupid. So robots can only do so much right now.
So it's more of a help for you.
It's a help for me.
Okay.
It's no Terminator situation. I see no Terminator situation in the future.
Okay. So Grace, what do you do in your spare time?
In my spare time, I spend time with my puppy. She's not really a puppy, she's 8. Her name's Cheddar Chiou. I love her very much.
Oh, she took your last name.
Yeah, she did take my last name.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. So I spend a lot of time with her because I just got her. Other than that, I read a lot of books. I go hiking with Cheddar, spend time with friends, travel a lot more now. I just went to China this past October. I'll probably go on a couple more trips later this year. So.
That's awesome. Yeah. How long have you had Cheddar?
8 months.
Wow.
I rescued her.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, she's about 8 years old.
Do you volunteer at a
rescue shelter?
Yes.
No, but I I volunteer in the community within New Brunswick at one of the local food banks.
So what's your favorite spot to visit with Cheddar?
She really likes going to Virginia, actually, where my sister and her kids are, because she gets a lot of playtime.
Okay. With the kids or with another dog?
With the kids.
PhDizzle.
Having fun with smart people who do cool things. High five! High five! Cheddar, high five!
High five.
Cheddar, high five! Sit! Cheddar, high five! High five! Good girl! High five!